Hey guys, Tim Avery here. Wanted to get just together. We're going to do another rendition of putting it all together, and today we're going to paint some chairs. So if you want to check out on how to paint some chairs, just a simple project. I got some paint at the local store, and I just wanted to show you guys how we're doing this. We're actually going to paint some chairs, so stay tuned. All right, so these are the chairs that we're going to be painting. It's got a couple colors that we're going to try out. We use some wood-based chairs. They've got some gloss on them already, but so I've got a flat black, and I've got a flat gold, and I've got a flat white. My wife and I have decided we got a couple options that we want to check out, so I will keep you in that process. All right, so this first chair I'm going to paint is actually gold. This is the color we got here. This is a metallic gold, and the other paint I'm going to paint, the other chairs I'm going to paint is flat black and also flat white, so stay tuned. First, I'm going to wipe this chair down. I'm in a well-ventilated area. I'm just taking a step back, and you can see the difference in the paint already that's making. See, that gold is going to look fantastic as part of our dining room set. So I got 7 of these to paint. And I'm about, 6 to 7 inches away. I'm not like right on top of it, because I don't want to be able to paint the chair and not see. I love that gold reflecting look on it. That looks amazing. Dawna really likes this color than I do. I think this looks cool. Okay, so we went from this wood look here, and I painted it a nice gold color, and here's what a finished gold chair looks like. I think, man, that came out really good. I'm gonna walk you around this. I love this gold color. I love that. It is fantastic. Obviously, you can tell that I'm outside working. Look at that, from that to that. I love that. So stay tuned for the white, and I'm gonna do a one in black and see which one we like better. But I know a majority of these chairs are gonna be this color. All right, here we go in black. Let's see. This is a flat black. And I can already kind of tell the difference between and it's supposed to be flat, so hopefully it dries flat. A cheaper paint versus the nozzle. On this is probably what it is. But I can probably tell you right now that I don't like the nozzle on this paint, just because it's probably going to use more paint, just because of the spray nozzle. But we'll see how this goes. I do like the matte finish on this, but moving forward, I'm gonna have to make a decision. I don't even do the legs. And I can tell, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's gonna need a second coat. Which I'm not like super excited about that. But the black does look good. Let's see, okay. The gold and the black is probably gonna look real good together in the house. But I do got white I need to paint. I need to paint one white. Stay tuned. All right, gang, white on this chair. White, and so this is a premium brand. It's got a primer in it as well. It's a satin white, which is kind of like a flat, but I learned from my black paint. I just got the cheap brand, but this is not a cheap brand. I think it's like $4 a bottle, but it should paint like that gold one there. And that black one, see that black one? I use a same size can of paint, 10 ounces. And like that one, but that got total coverage with a premium brand of paint. And this one was a cheap brand of paint, and I only got a one coat top portion of the chair, not a full coverage with a 10 ounce can. So I do like the flat black though, it looks nice. But now I'm gonna paint this one white, like a satin white, and see which one we're gonna go with that looks good in our house. My wife and I are gonna decide, but yeah, tune into conversation, stay tuned. See already, this nozzle is gonna be better. That black one had this really tiny nozzle on it. It really just wasn't comfortable with the finger, you know, and it sounds kind of funny just to not, but if you're doing a lot of painting, that should be a concern if you're doing a lot of painting, you know. And plus I know with that nozzle, you get a lot more coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. See already, like, look at that. Like I haven't even barely, compared to that black, like I would have still been there painting black. And that just, you know, and that's like one coat of white, boom, like that. That black took me forever. It took me 12 minutes to paint that. And I mean, it's not even done. That took me, you know, we'll see how long this takes me, so we'll keep going. Okay, so obviously this is gonna need a second coat of white, obviously, because obviously I didn't get down to the legs. And the coverage was great. You know, I was able to get to like just the top portion of this chair to be white, but I don't know what you think. I've got that white there, this black, using that cheap paint, and then this gold, and that gold is probably gonna be a winner. So, see, that's the gold I was talking about. You like that gold? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I think it would go better either, so it's either white and gold. See, we're gonna either do both the arms the same color and the rest all gold, like that. Or, or with black and gold.
I think all the rest of them gold.
Yeah. Or,
and then the captain's chair is black up top and gold on the legs.
You want to go gold on the legs?
Mm-hmm.
And black on top?
Yep. Just like you have it. Just do the legs. Flip it upside down.
And just do the legs gold?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, guys. This is the finished work of these black chairs. Got the legs done. The gold chair, they look fantastic. So obviously we reversed the count. We didn't want an overdone of gold chairs versus black chairs. So we went with black captain chairs on each end, and then did it with the gold chairs, just 2 of them, and that kind of just balanced it out. So yeah, I absolutely love these chairs how they came out. They look fantastic. So yeah, so this is, I love the way all these came out. So sorry about the lighting on this, but yeah, they came out great, I think. I love the all that. So anyway, all right. If you like this work, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for other projects. Oh yes, let me add this as well, that each chair probably took about 2 cans of those black spray paint. So I actually went with, because I had so many black chairs to paint, I actually went with the cheaper brand, and actually these chairs have been in the house for about a week now. And I mean, this matte finish is fantastic. I love the way how it came out. So yeah, we stayed with that. And so yeah, each of these chairs we painted, it took me 2 cans of black spray paint. And it came out fine. And the same thing with the gold chairs. I mean, they each took actually 1 can of gold paint, but I think they came out great. So yeah, so if anybody wanted to know, it took me 2 cans of black spray paint per chair to knock that out. So anyways, all right, thank you.